Hey friends, how are you? And I'm back with another book review. And today with me I have the Highway Engineering textbook, which is the latest revised 10th edition, written by S.K. Khanna, C.G. Justo, and A. Veera Raghavan. So let's get started. Okay, so this is how the book looks. I've borrowed this from my college library. Okay, these are the contents. Well, in this new edition, let's talk about what's new and what has changed. In in this edition, also you get to see the same number of units, same chapters as in the previous edition, but here, if you see, in uh, each chapter wherever it was required, they have added some new things, some new topics which are being used in industry, which are new. Okay, and if you see this chapter of design of highway pavements, here also some design methods have been removed. Some design methods which were empirical, I've removed. This is they have made this based on the IRC recommendations. They have used they have stressed on IRC recommendations in this textbook, and as you can see, the number of pages are also nearly the same. This book, if you see, it covers right from the top to the bottom, each and everything related to the highway engineering, the pavement. If you see your soil, these are soil stabilization, there is highway maintenance, okay. There's design of highway pavements, how to design, then there's highway materials, highway drainage, hill roads, roadside development, arboriculture, and everything. And if you see, they have covered traffic engineering, the geometric design, the geometric features of the highway, each and everything. And as my friend had suggested, the price of this textbook, if you see here, the MRP, it costs 275, but if you go to buy it on Amazon or Flipkart, it might even cost less than this. I've given the link to buy this book, the Amazon link. You can check out the description box for it, and you can buy it on the best offer when you have sale. Okay, so this is how the book looks. The design of the cover page is improved a lot. Okay, so this was all about it. So if you enjoyed this review, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel Bookworm. See you soon.